Hello students. Today we will see the LLB Semester 1 Tort Law, and we will see how to answer the following questions in two sentences. So, the first question is, what is meant by trespass ab initio? Trespass ab initio refers to a situation where someone who initially enters another's property lawfully becomes a trespasser if they misuse that permission. Now, for example, if the guest turned into a trespasser after misconduct. So, for entering, it is lawful, but then if he does some mischief with the property or does any misconduct, then he becomes a trespasser. Okay. So, like if some guest is coming to my house and but he misconducts something. That is the meaning of this. Question number two is, what is novus actus interveniens? The novus actus interveniens is a new intervening act that breaks the chain of causation between the defendant's act and the harm, thereby affecting liability. So, the act, for example, the accident happened due to a sudden storm. So the person didn't wanted to do some accident intervene. They didn't wanted to intervene, but there it happened, the harm, some harm, due to a sudden storm that happens. So nobody is liable for that. What is qualified privilege? Qualified privilege protects a person from defamation claims if the statements are made in good faith and occasions where they have a legal, moral, or social duty to communicate. For example, reporters can discuss officials' misconduct without defamation. So, if they are questioning some officials based on why did he do this thing and what was the reason for doing something, but without defaming him, that is called qualified privilege. What is public nuisance? The public nuisance is an act that interferes with the rights of the public or a section of the community, such as obstructing a highway. So if there is a road which is blocked by, say, Ganpati pandals, thereby causing inconvenience to all the commuters, so that is not allowed. That is public nuisance. Defined service. Service refers to an act of providing assistance, labor, or performance of duties to meet the needs of others, typically in exchange for compensation. The company provided excellent customer support services. So the money is given to the employee and employee provides the service. Manufacturer is a person or company that produces goods on a large scale, typically using machinery for sale or distribution. The factory produces thousands of gadgets last month. Slander is a form of oral or spoken defamation where the false statements damage a person's reputation. For example, spreading false rumors about somebody's who's some rumors that damages the professional reputation of that person, that is not allowed. It is called slander. What is false imprisonment? It is the imprisonment, the unlawful restraint or confinement of a person without legal justification. If any person security detains you without any lawful cause, that is false imprisonment. It is wrong. Define vis major. Vis major is a act of God that refers to an event caused by natural forces beyond human control, such as floods, the earthquakes that cannot be prevented. Example: the floods destroyed crops, an unavoidable disaster. Nobody is held responsible for that. And the last one we'll see exemplary damages. These damages, also known as punitive damages, are awarded to punish the defendant for egregious conduct and deter future wrongdoing. So, any person who is doing any fraud or anything is fined heavily for his fraudulent activities is called exemplary damages. So this is the way you have to write in your exams. So if you give one a sentence of what that question is, and then one line of example, that is more than enough to give the answers in two sentences if they are asked. So I guess this would be a very helpful session. Thank you very much. Bye.